Good morning, children. And today I am going to teach you poetry. Now, poetry relates to heart, and through it we can express our feeling. It can be arranged in words and in best order. This poem that today I am going to take is written by Bobby Katz. Now, Bobby Katz, she is an American poet and writer, and she writes books for children. And then she also writes picture books, essays, biographies, and she also holds workshop for children. So let us enjoy this poem, and the title of the poem is Travel Plans. Before that, children, I would like to just ask you one question. Everybody likes traveling. I don't think that there is anyone who will not like to travel to go somewhere. And this all traveling can be done when, children, when you have got long vacation, when it is your holidays. So after busy schedule and hectic work, everybody waits for holidays. And summer vacation is much awaited. You know why? Because it is a long holiday, about 1 month. So don't you like to go anywhere? Yes, I know. You all must be waiting for it, and everybody wants to go. Somebody will say, I want to go to hill station. Somebody will say, I want to go to my village. Somebody will join the hobby classes. And like that, everybody has their own idea. So today I'll just read out a poem where the poet expresses her view, what she wants to do during her holidays. Travel plans by Bobby Katz. If you could go anywhere, where would you go? Deep in the jungle, deep in the snow, deep in the ocean to talk to a fish. If you could go anywhere, where could you wish? Thought. If I could go anywhere, here's what I do. I'd pop in the pouch of a kind kangaroo. I would travel along for as long as I please, and I would learn to say thank you in kangaroos. I would go through the hole in a needle like thread. I would spin like a top on the point of my head. I would skate on an ice cube. I would swim in a glass. I would ride on a grasshopper if one should pass. And when I got tired of being so small, I would abracadabra myself to be tall. I would step over oceans. I would step over seas. I would cause a few shipwrecks if I had to sneeze. I would pat a giraffe on the top of his head. I would find out for sure if the North Pole was red. And when I had seen all that I want to see, I hope I would know how to turn back into me. Go. So, in this poem, children, the poet has expressed her view to go to certain places, like in the jungle, in the snow, down to the ocean, and she wants to even talk to a fish. She wants to become very small and go through the needle of a thread. And then she also wants to become tall and pat on the giraffe. So these are the various things that she wants to do. So I think you all must also be preparing for your summer vacation, thinking about how this lockdown goes, and you all will be enjoying your summer vacation. Thank you, children, and have a nice day.